Alright guys, this is my 2011 F-150 with the 5.0 liter in it. Just put on the Borla ATAK exhaust, which looks and sounds amazing. Very simple to bolt together. I will say that you're gonna need to take your time, make sure that you don't rush, because the fitment's gonna look jacked up in the tailpipes otherwise. So put everything together like they say, and don't tighten it up until you're ready to get your fitment right and go. But polish tips look great. Sounds great. I also have the Roush cold air intake on. Let's give her a listen. Is when I took it out for a test drive earlier. Turn the air off. You hear a tiny rumble in the back, and it's like that when you drive it. I'll try to put up a drive video later, but there's no drone in the cab. When you get up to 60, 65, you can't hardly hear it. And once the engine is really warm and you're down below, around 500 RPM, you can't even hardly hear this thing running. But when you get on the highway and you hammer it, it screams. It lights up the road. So I would highly recommend this. And oh, before I stop, one thing that gave me a pain was these shackle bolts. Better view. They're up under here. This bolt under here can be a pain. It's a 21 millimeter. Took me a while to figure that out. A 21 millimeter for this, 18 millimeter for the outside bolt. You just put a socket wrench on that. That was the only pain in the butt.